side and fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but and I know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so.
They just put my boo through hell.
Boy, they look, tell me container.
He got a red container.
It's not no regular container.
They put my bookie to the side. Now we finally made it to TSA. Child, they were trying to give us a hard time. At least they ain't say no. If they would have said no, we would have been. We ain't eat nothing all day since y'all saw us eat Starbucks. That was at like 10 this morning, literally. It's damn near 5 o'clock. Yeah, we just camping out chilling because we ain't got enough to do. We got some Wendy's, we got some eat, watch some YouTube.
Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell so deep, cause everyone falls.
Finally, we are boarding.
Others, we do ask their remaining seatbelts, passengers, all items completely underneath the seat in front of it. Grab the window, we do have to lower it. Thank you.
I gotta text my mama to her.
What is it?
You about time to go, ain't it?
But it's not going to look like this.
Y'all, I'm late now. We just got the car. We here. Y'all, it's late as shit. It's 10 o'clock. Yeah, this shit hard. Yeah. Stink. I left the car tripod. It's okay, because this shit hard. Y'all, my edge is curling up already. Y'all, don't play with us with the peanut butter seats. Who you know? With the peanut butter seats. Yes, up. Yeah. This shit hard, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Hey, I need the key. Huh? I can't turn it on. Yeah, cause who ain't talking about Nate? You're not talking about Nate Thangers.
I don't know who to trust and I swear this shit's so confusing. I'm happy, tell me what the fuck so amusing. I be trying to control my temper. Back on me, he left me scarred. Gonna guess what I was taught. Now I'm scared for my life to be right. I'll break, knocking on the roof.
Nah, like the neighbor wanted what their mama was a fan crossing off the river, left a nigga out here shit. Hey y'all, we made it to the what is this? I don't want to call it. That's a mouthful. We made it to the spot. How about that? This is what it's giving. We got this whole little apartment to ourselves. Y'all, they got a big ass balcony, closet, you know what I'm saying? We finna get ready to go do something. Go outside, go do something. Yeah. Y'all see us, people. Y'all look how high up we is. Don't be doing that shit later. Y'all, look at this balcony.
What's up, IG? Girl, when you zoom in, that shit.
Yeah, that's what. Y'all, we finna go eat and go out.
We outside today. We outside. We acting real
bad. I get
tonight.
me and my stink.
First night in Miami.
Me and my rich ass boyfriend.
Rich is crazy.
He the one with all the money, huh?
Wealthy. Wealthy. Rich is crazy.
Where you get that from?
You.
Right.
You taught me that.
I did.
Cause I was saying rich.
I like that. You change it up.
I bet. I'll show them the key. Okay.
Huh?
I was trying to show them the key.
Yeah, y'all see the key.
Big boy shit. I ain't not driving in no regular shit.
You see what number we on.
30, 34. Big dog shit.
Y'all see the car. Y'all, it keep getting foggy because it's humid out here, bro. Y'all see the car. Y'all see her. Yeah, she cute. Yes, they on it. In the peanut butter.
Damn.
bitch. In this bitch.
No, can I get a number 10? Yeah. And can I get some barbecue sauce with that too? Can I get like 5 in total?
Shit. Y'all finna try the food. I got chicken tenders and fries. He got a chicken sandwich and fries. And I got strawberry salmon. And real crispy. I like when my food crispy. Fresh, hot, all that.
Hey, them motherfuckers is coming, wasn't it?
Yo, we finna go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Get on the floor. Oh. Alright.
Got my phone, go to 5 more.
Dub, girlfriend.
Stay right.
Alright,
That'd be
y'all.
good. That'd be white.
Alright, I'm gonna eat, y'all. I'll be back. Y'all, my battery's gonna die, but we just went inside these little. I don't know why he got this TV so goddamn loud. Alright, y'all. I'm in the bed. We didn't really do much just now. We just went to this. We went to like 3 different places, and they all went hitting on nothing. And honestly, it's just because it's Monday, but we wasn't really expecting too much no way. So yeah, I'm chilling in the bed now. I'm real tired. I'm ready to get some good sleep, wake up. I have a whole day ahead of us, so that's gonna be the end of today. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog so far, because it's gonna be lit. But I'm gonna close my eyes, y'all, and go to bed because I'm tired. It's literally 2:30 in the morning, and I'm tired. So I'm gonna hit y'all in the morning when I wake up. We're gonna wake up to a real pretty view. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Good night. I love y'all so much. Toodaloo, book butts. This is what I'm wearing. Cover up from Fashion Nova bathing suit from Shein. We got on the same bathing suit. He got on the same swimming trunks as me. This is what the little bathing suit look like. And I just got on a little YSL purse and my Tory Burch slides. It's giving. Period. Alright, we finna head out. We're going to the beach, y'all, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit. Y'all see it's 20. We're leaving, y'all, finally. It's like 1 o'clock. 12:49. Get out of here. Bookie? Where you at? Vlogging a vlog.
We are standing for the dead, baby. Come my way, baby. Top down on the highway, baby. And if you let me love you, shorty, she ain't even got a visa. Out of town one night teaser. Need to tell them other niggas sees us. I'm falling, but everyone falls. And I know from the first time I'm seeing love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I would fall for you. You got to know that everyone falls.
Lemonade busting, y'all. My fries busting and crispy.
Definitely after you said something. After you seen it. Hey y'all, we just had a really fun one. It was a big ass piece of air and shit.
Get down like that. I'm gonna try the sauce. Okay, sauce tastes like.
Shit good, bro?
It's good, but I don't know what it tastes like.
Got chicken ranch, man. Buzzing?
Hey, I ain't gonna lie.
You gotta do what I do.
That shit's good. Lemonade smacking too.
You split everything.
Look. It finally stopped raining. I didn't record at the beach, y'all, because it was raining. Y'all can see our little plant field. It was windy and stuff. But it's clearing up. Y'all can see. Can y'all see? My camera be acting stupid sometimes, y'all. We grabbed a bottle for tonight. Well, for today. For the time we're here. But we're finna go look at the pool and the, like, amenities or whatever that they have, because we still on the way down there. This is where we're gonna end up doing jet skis and stuff. That's gonna be fun. Little sunset, y'all know what I'm saying. Cute or whatever. They're gonna pull down there. That's where we finna go. We're finna take a shot. It's currently 5:15, so we're gonna come back, take a nap. You know what I'm saying? Get ready for the adventures of tonight. I just be in the passenger seat looking cute. That's my job. You took it already? Dang, still can't wait for me. 2 more? 2 more.
Haven't been drunk.
I haven't even been here for 2 hours.
No, I ain't gonna lie to you. You might want to drink some water. It's not making it better because it's warm.
Oh yeah.
That shit dirty when it's warm.
You got it. Y'all see how good he look? Like,
I don't give a fuck. Do y'all go to the club every weekend and drink?
I don't get it.
Like,
I don't got it in me like
I
that.
don't.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, he be really acting like a kid to me. Let me grab his camera. Steve, stop. Yo, he just be acting crazy. I think I'm gonna do one more and be done.
Anything like that? Oh. That shit just gave me the chills, bro. Alright, let me put my shirt.
I'm done. Oh, hell no. Y'all don't want to know no. Game room.
Oh.
Yeah, I only got 8 minutes, but y'all, I'll make this 8 minute stretch, okay? It's a lounge.
I'll do real bad.
And I'm gonna match energy every time.
Every time.
Every time.
Every time. I'm gonna bring that shit.
Every time. And I'm gonna match it. Come on, we finna go play foosball.
Ooh, hell.
Come on.
I'm finna bust your ass.
Focusing
I've
right
been listening
now.
too many days. I'm looking at
Me
tomorrow.
too. But yeah, at this point, the liquor is winning.
The liquor.
Okay, June 24
Nigga,
hours.
this doing workouts. I don't know what type
It's
workout
bathroom
this
this
is
way.
doing.
Okay, we gotta go back this way.
No, we can go. We
Beep!
gotta oh, that's
Oh, game room, come on.
no.
Pool first? Okay, okay. Yeah, here go the pool. Hot tub and shit.
Don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. Little let me love you, love you, love you.
Girl, Miss CC.
I took what, 3 shots?
I can tell her, like, two more. 2 more shots. I'd have been at the Mexican party yesterday, and that bitch, like,
What they say? Oh, what was the song?
I don't know. Oh shit, man.
He said,
Hell yeah.
yeah, I'm awake. Y'all should hear y'all just hit the hell out of my toe, but we finna get up, get dressed, and get ready to head out. Start the night. It's like 8 o'clock now. I took a good nap, y'all. As y'all can see, I got energy now. But it's 8:21. We finna get the night started. We finna go get some food. Like I was saying though, I made storage on my SD card, so we good. But I'm about to get in the shower real quick, and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back to y'all whenever I'm like about to start. We literally just took a shower before we went to sleep. I'm finna take another shower. Yeah, I woke up hungry. We gotta hurry up because we hungry as hell. I woke up munching. Ready to go. I did this little hairstyle. I feel like I look like a bug, but he said it's cute, so I'm gonna leave it. Period. Don't play. Ooh. I felt that shit. Ooh, I felt that one. Ooh, my face got the chips.
I dig it, the chill.
And when I did see you, you treat me like shit because I'm just some girl who doesn't know what she wants, and you have a path. And you're
I love that.
Burning you though.
Yeah, we gotta put it on it.
Ow, fuck, this shit hard as shit.
Hold it like this.
Walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand, but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind.
Before it got so hectic, maybe I wouldn't be so desperate to tell the world about my pain. Kissing threes, like he act like he don't know that we kissing threes. I'm letting everything go. My eye, my camera. I need to fix my camera. It's pissing me off.
I was trying to get it wrong way.
I was hot as fuck. Twin get strike shit. I'm not gonna work. Strike.
I guess I gotta leave y'all.
Yes. Bro, I ain't understand one word. I'm not lying. Swear to God.
Hey y'all, we ready to go. It's day 3. It's 1:18, y'all. I mean, it just don't seem like we can leave the crib before 12 o'clock. I woke up. He wanted to stay asleep. He was a dead body. But I don't remember the last thing that I recorded. Honestly, I don't remember. But I had fun last night. I was drunk, so I really don't know what I recorded. We didn't even end up going to no club, but I still had the time of my life. So yeah, this the fit. Me and my baby matching again. Pink.
Much like that?
Yeah, put it in the book bag. For when we go to the beach. But we can actually go to the beach this time because it's sunny. Yeah, we got good weather today. So yeah. We're about to go get some acai bowls and then head to the beach. So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all whenever we get somewhere, okay? Alright. Y'all better answer the phone. Got me calling my friend like, yeah, he's the greatest. You probably can do it online too. Sorry. What's the good in here? They got my cover. My cup.
Where we going?
The peace sign. Why are you looking at it like that? Is it good? They do match you.
It's your eye.
We should have added the stuff like I be adding to the other one.
Yeah.
But I had never tried this. Ooh. So I didn't know if it needed anything. I want to try yours. We got our drink. And I got my cup. Yeah, we got spicy fries, regular fries, burgers. We're gonna throw down. This fries good. Yeah. Let's see what this here for. camera up.
For me?
I'm finna get him right. Watch this, y'all. Watch this. Yeah, but we're gonna finna take yours first. And pretty right here. Look, come here. Your cheese.
Yeah.
Y'all, we just took our pictures. We finally going to the beach. I'm thirsty. Right here? I got you. Take a picture right here. I gotta get my bait content, y'all. Hold on. Like, this battery finna die. I gotta change it. Yeah. It's so pretty today. You want the palm? You gotta get palm trees in it though.
Listen, I think I got balance. Listen, rock the shit out of us. Hurry up for the head, bro. Come on. I ain't even like the front camera and already got in the water. I'm finna go mad deep. Alright. This shit feel good. This shit feel good. I'm gonna, oh shit, alright, yeah, we chill right here. Alright, we can chill.
Oh wait, the camera. Hey y'all, we back at the crib for a little bit. I just got out the shower to get all that sand off of me. Now we about to go. Well, I'm about to lay here for a second and charge my phone, and then we're gonna go ATV riding, chill, get my energy up because I'm kind of tired, and then get up and get ready for that. I literally just rinsed off because we're about to go get dirty again. Literally. So yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all whenever we on the way to go do that. I'm actually excited. I never drove no ATV, and it's at night, so should be fun. I'm excited. I need to put Vaseline on my feet because I got blisters, y'all. Bad. Right, but those be blisters on the back of my feet. I got blisters on the front of my shit right now. Yeah, my feet just messed up, but I'm gonna get back with y'all later.